Hello, good afternoon students. Today we'll discuss regarding Golgi apparatus, also known as Golgi body or Golgi complex. So Golgi bodies are consisting of set of membrane bound structures. Again, just like endoplasmic reticulum, they are singular membrane bound structures having fluid filled space inside their lumen, and they occurs in the form of rounded structures called as vesicles, or they are occurring in the form of flat structures, closed sac like structures known as cisternae, right? Or sometimes in the form of vacuoles like this. You can go through the diagram of Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus, in the Golgi complex, these cisternae are piled up one above the other, एक के ऊपर एक, जैसे parallel rows में they are present and they are having fluid filled space in between inside their lumen. खाली space जो होता है उसमें sometimes fluid is filled. तो Golgi apparatus जो है inside the cytoplasm of the cell, sometimes they occur इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सटेंसिव नेटवर्क, यानी कि वो न्यूक्लियस के पास एक तरह से ऐसे नेटवर्क की तरह प्रेजेंट होते हैं. व्हेन दे आर प्रेजेंट नियर द, इन केस ऑफ एनिमल सेल्स दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नेटवर्क in the piled condition one above the other, but in case of plant cells they are present freely in the cytoplasm in the form of small vesicles, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, they are called as dictyosomes. Dictyosomes they are called as. तो जो formation of Golgi complex है, it is having two phases. Just see this diagram. It is having two phases. One is cis phase or forming phase, and other this is the cis phase. Cis phase कब बनता है, जब स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम से ये जो वेसिकल्स हैं दे आर कमिंग अप, दे आर फ्यूजिंग अप टू फॉर्म सिस्टर्नी ऑफ द गोल्गी apparatus. और जिस साइड पे गोल्गी apparatus की फॉर्मेशन हो रही है उस फेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं, सिस फेस और फॉर्मिंग फेस ऑफ द गोल्गी complex. Here you can see the vesicles fusing up with each other in the cis phase, and in this way they are forming closed sac like structures called as cisternae. So when a number of vesicles fused up, a pile of these cisternae are formed, and this is the forming phase, immature phase. And when the Golgi apparatus become mature, this phase is known as trans phase or maturing phase. So in this phase the Golgi complex, it nipped off, it gives off small discharged vesicles. It forms some vesicles which are filled with some secretions, and these secretions are delivered to different organs in the form of enzymes, in the form of lysosomes. So this is the forming phase, this is the maturation phase. So Golgi complex act like as shipping and dispatching unit. उसका क्या मतलब है, शिपिंग एंड डिस्पैचिंग यूनिट, कि गोल्गी कम्प्लेक्स में वेसिकल्स आने से कुछ चीज़ बना, इसमें 7 सेक्रीशंस भी आई. ये सेक्रीशंस को क्या कर रहा है, पैक कर रहा है द फॉर्म ऑफ वेसिकल्स. आफ्टर पैकिंग इट इज़ लेबलिंग कि ये लाइसोसोम्स हैं, ये जो है हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम्स हैं, इन्होंने कहाँ पे एक्ट करना है. इट इज़ पैकिंग दीज मटीरियल्स, लेबलिंग इट एंड डिस्पैचिंग टू द डेस्टिनेशन वेयर एवर दीज सेक्रीशंस आर रिक्वायर्ड. दैट्स वाई Golgi complex is also known as shipping and dispatching unit of the cell, right? So you can underline the first line. Golgi apparatus consists of a set of membrane bound fluid filled vesicles known as cisternae and vacuoles. Cisternae are usually stacked in parallel rows. Golgi apparatus exist as extensive network near the nucleus in animal cells, but it is present freely distributed in the cytoplasm in the form of dictyosome in plant cells, right? Golgi complex has one cis phase which is called as forming phase, and from where the vesicles bud off, it is called as trans phase of Golgi complex. Golgi apparatus is absent in RBCs of mammals. This I explained you earlier why it is absent. Golgi apparatus are formed from smooth endoplasmic reticulum. You can underline this line also. It is formed from smooth endoplasmic reticulum because after its function is over, Golgi apparatus जो है वो disappear हो जाता है. जब वो dispatch कर देते हैं मटेरियल को पैकिंग के बाद, then they disappear and again reform. So they are also known as Golgi vacuoles are constantly and rapidly renewed. वो बनते रहते हैं, नए बनते रहते हैं. So functions you can mark. The main function of the Golgi apparatus is secretory, क्योंकि ये secretions दे रहे हैं, ये कई तरह के enzymes बना रहे हैं, कई तरह के lysosomes बना रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट लाइन यहाँ तक अंडरलाइन कर लो कि the main function of Golgi apparatus is secretory. They act as, second line, it packages material synthesized in the cell and dispatches it. Second point, it produces vacuoles or secretory vesicles containing enzymes, proteins, etc. Golgi apparatus is also help in the synthesis of cell wall formation in membrane biogenesis. This I explained you in yesterday's lecture. So these three functions are of Golgi complex. Right? Thank you, beta.